Okay, so now question 19 is algebraic fractions. Let's go through this. Got different denominators. So what I'm going to do is cross multiply essentially. So everything ends up with the same denominator. So let's see what we get with that then. 1 times x plus 1. I'm just going to use brackets for now. Next, I'm going to take away 1 times x. That's all over x times x plus 1, and that will equal 4. Okay. I want to get rid of the fractions, so I'm going to take this denominator across the other side. I'm left with x plus 1 minus x, and that equals 4 lots of x. X plus 1. Okay, right, let's do some cancelling. On the left-hand side, I've got x and the minus x cancels, so I'm left with 1 equals, let's multiply stuff out now. So I've got 4x squared plus 4x. Okay, this is a quadratic. I want to solve it, so I want some answers, okay? And I want it in third format. So that's going to move everything to the side. I've got 0 equals 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. And we're told that a and b are fractions. So the easiest way I think to do this is just to use our quadratic formula. We know in our quadratic formula that if things equal 0, then I know that I can use x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's do some highlighting. B would be 4. That's my got B on there. A also happens to be 4. And C would be minus 1. Okay, let's put that in. So I've got x equals minus b, so minus 4, plus or minus the square root of 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 times 4 times minus 1, all over 2a, so 2 times 4. Okay, let's tidy all of that up. We've got x equals minus 4, plus or minus the square root of 16. 4 times 4 is 16, times minus 1 is minus 16, but I've got that double minus there, so I'm going to end up adding it. That is over 8. Okay, that gives me minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 32 over 8. Okay, now it's about recognizing that 32, I didn't need to erase that. So the square root of 32, put that on the bottom over here, square root of 32 can actually be written as the square root of 16 times the square root of 2. Square root of 16 is 4, root 2 like that. So I can simplify it, and that's what this question is trying to get you to do as well. So it's a bit of thirds mixed in. Minus 4 plus or minus 4 root 2 over 8. Right, I need to split it up though, don't I? Because I'm not okay leaving my answer like that. Because I have to split them up. At least I've got the root 2 though, so that's good. Okay, splitting that up, I've got minus 4 over 8 plus or minus 4 over 8 root 2. So first fraction ends up being minus a half. So I've got minus a half plus or minus a half of root 2. And that is my final answer.